we have reached number 25, which is actually a rainforest tree house.
Yeah, I know that word. Lin forest.
So we just arrived where the kids, after school, apparently there's a school up there. Then they just run down the hill and then, wait for the parents and go home. So you hear a little bit of a children background, but that's like so cool, right? So together with us here today is Michelle.
Hello.
Yeah, so she'll be telling us a little bit more about, the Rainforest Tree House.
Let's go up.
Look, Matt! We are going here, I think.
Sunset, yes.
Correct, because just now I saw the map here.
We have a few beehive here. You see the bee. Actually, this kind of bee is the one you saw with the ginger flower. So they actually stay in the woodlot. Yeah, so you can find it only in the tropical rainforest. Keep walking up.
So every tree house actually has a different design and
Yeah.
different materials.
Yes. And we also depends on what material we have at the moment. Most of the tree house that get staying is the nature material we can get from the forest. Chinese we call 就地取材, whatever we have in the forest, we make it into our house.
This is like boutique tree house. Everyone is different.
So all this wood is actually from the old ship. They tear down the ship and we collect it here and we give it second life. We build it into our house.
It's a ship on a tree.
So you can see the wall actually can open and we can change direction. So if you want the wind to come from here, you open this direction. If you want the wind to come from the other side, we can change the direction.
Yay! We have arrived at our sunset tree house. It's 3-story high.
Wow. Can you imagine studying here every day? It's like
Where's your school? At the tree house.
on a tree.
So nice.
Catch me if I fall. Look at that, it's so pretty. It's so fun. You can sit here all day. Top of the trees, yo. Yeah, I'm gonna try and stand on this. Hey, bully me!
You can come up here like this.
Wow.
Come try, or maybe you can climb with the staircase and you come down with it. I'm scared!
Staircase maybe can lah.
Ah,
You went so much faster. Okay. So we're on the top floor of the Sunset Tree House, and as Michelle was telling us just now, you can see the atap payung. There's such big leaves. Look, these are our beds. Another one, and we've got beds downstairs for Ollie and Ellie too.
And the first floor is actually a grade 1 school.
Yeah.
So we have to wake up early tomorrow because 8:30 school starts.
So looking forward to a nice cool shower. And then tomorrow we start the day early. Good night. Good night. Don't peep when we shower, okay?